Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's big question of the day is, have you bought solo ads and lost money? Do you want to get paid $100 a week just for recommending this product? Stay tuned. First, before I give you this lovely information, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and hit the notifications button, because then you won't miss any of my great top tips. Without further ado, this is what I want to show you. Here's one I made earlier. Okay, so I mentioned yesterday about my lead gen secret. I'm now actually going to show you the difference between open rates with get response and my lead gen secret. I've got here, so here's one I've prepared for you. I've got two emails that I've sent to the same email to different groups of people. Now this one is really good. This is get response 31.4, but sometimes you get 3.16. Now if I go into this one here, look, 36% open rate, the very first one. 30, what was it? I'm getting confused already. 31, 36, so that's 5% more. This one is get more YouTube subscribers video, which is 3.16, which is rubbish. On average, it should be 10% or more is a good open rate. So this one here, let's have a look. I'm in the way here. So this one, can you see me shaking? 14%, 3% or 14%. This is why you need this program, because the open rate is much higher. So this is why I recommend it. You get 200 leads. Like the first day I got 100. Hang on, my leads for when you join for $60, and then it's $30 a month after that, you get 100 leads. Look, you get your first friend in and you get 200 leads a day. So it's 200 leads a day for 30 days. Who can actually do maths? This is your maths question here. What is 200 times 30 days? How many leads can you get if you get one friend in? I want you to comment below, because I want you to, you know, interact with me. And then I'll give you, I'll try and mention one or two of you in the next video. Top tip from Kevin David. What else I wanted to show you is affiliates. I want to show you how you can make money with this system. Let me just here we go. Look, right, so if you recommend one person, you get a whole $5, but that's not what I want to show you. If you get 5 people in, you get $100. So if, for instance, Jamie came in with me, I would get $5 a month off him. If he bought somebody in, I'll get $4. If they bought somebody in, I'll get $3, $2 1 month. So there's 5 levels down one. So you've got a good interest in actually sharing this. Wonderful, wonderful. I mean, how much have you lost on solo ads, guys? I've lost loads. Okay, here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. Win an unlimited number of $100 bonuses each week. So for every 5 paid customers, new ones, in 1 week, you'll get $100 cash. So if you refer 25 new customers, guess what? You get $500. If you buy solo ads, guys, what happens? Yes, you lose money. Right. When you buy from me, I have got 2 free lead generating websites to give you, and you get access to the private VIP group with some email swipes that you can have for free, and top tips that are put in the group daily and weekly. So you can't lose. Don't forget the maths question. What is 20 times 30? Who's going to get it right? I bet Terry Tilly. He's going to make some stupid number up like 322. Anyway, so hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you don't miss any top tips that I can come up with. And if you've got any questions that you want me to answer on this 30-day YouTube challenge, drop them below, because I love having comments, and I like it when people interact with me, because it means I'm not alone in the world. I'm staring at my screen, and it's, you know, a bit weird at first, but anyway, I shall see you on the next video, guys. Hit the like button.